Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain Runge-Kutta method of fourth order. As we know that the Euler's method is less efficient to compute the approximate solution for a given initial value problem, and when we apply the Runge-Kutta method, so we obtain the approximate solution with a best accuracy. In that case, the fourth order RK method is most commonly used in practice and is often referred to as the Runge-Kutta method only without any reference of the order. So, here we consider an initial value problem dy by dx is equal to f of xy with the condition y of x0 is equal to y0. Say this is equation 1. So, by applying Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, so we find an approximate solution for an initial value problem 1. So, yr plus 1 is equal to yr plus 1 upon 6 times of k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. This is equation 2 where k1 is equal to h f xr comma yr, k2 is equal to h f xr plus h upon 2 yr plus k1 upon 2, k3 is equal to h f xr plus h upon 2 yr plus k2 upon 2, and k4 is equal to h f xr plus h yr plus k3. Here r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. That is, if we put r is equal to 0, then we obtain y1. y1 means the solution, that is approximate value of y at x is equal to x1, and this is equal to y0 plus 1 upon 6 of k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4, where k1 is equal to, that is put r is equal to 0, so k1 is equal to h times of f x0 comma y0, k2 is equal to h times of f x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k1 by 2, k3 is equal to h f x0 plus h upon 2 y0 plus k2 upon 2, k4 is equal to h f x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. So, in that case, this is, and substitute the values of k1, k2, k3, k4 and y0 in this expression, then we obtain y1. Now, if we put r is equal to 1, then we obtain y2. y2 is equal to y of x2. So, in that case, this is y1 plus 1 upon 6 times of k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4, where k1 is equal to h times of, because put r is equal to 1, so k1 is equal to h times of f x1 comma y1, k2 is equal to h times of f x1 plus h upon 2 comma y1 plus k1 upon 2, k3 is equal to h f x1 plus h upon 2 comma y1 plus k2 upon 2, k4 is equal to h f times of x1 plus h y1 plus k3, and substitute the values of k1, k2, k3, k4 and y1 in this expression, then we obtain the value of y at x is equal to x2 and so on. That is, for r is equal to 2, r is equal to 3 and so on. That is, if explain this concept with the help of the numerical problem. So, here I am considering an example based on this method. So, problem is, solve numerically the initial value problem dy by dx is equal to x square minus y with the condition y0 is equal to 1 using Runge-Kutta method. Here order is not given, so this is understood. We apply Runge-Kutta method of order 4. Then find the value of y at x is equal to 0.1 taking step size h is equal to 0.1 correct to 3 decimal places, because Runge-Kutta method is of order 1 and Runge-Kutta method is of order 2. So Runge-Kutta method of order 1 means the simple forward Euler's method. Runge-Kutta method of order 2 generally known as the modify Euler's method. So here when the using the Runge-Kutta method, so this is means the Runge-Kutta method of order 4. So in that case, the explanation of this problem is given the initial value problem, dy by dx is equal to x square minus y with the condition y of 0 is equal to 1. Say this is equation 1. Now compare equation 1 with the standard initial value problem, dy by dx is equal to f of xy under the condition y of x naught is equal to y naught. Say this is equation 2. Then here f of xy is equal to x square minus y, x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 1, and given step size h is equal to 0.1. So in that case, generate a tabular data. So x values x naught, x1, then y values y naught and y1. When x0 is equal to 0, which is given in the given problem, y0 is equal to 1, that is initial conditions are given, then x1 is x0 plus h, so x0 is 0, h is 0.1, so this value is 0.1, and y1 is y of x1. Y of x1 means our aim to compute the value of the y at x1 is equal to 0.1. So in that case, we apply the Runge-Kutta method of order 4. So using RK method, because we consider we want to compute y1 at x is equal to x1. So here, according to formula of the Runge-Kutta method, so here y1 is y of x1, and this will be 1 upon y0 plus 1 upon 6 of k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. So here y, because this is y of r plus 1, put r is equal to 0, then we obtain y1. So y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 upon 6 times of k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. Say this is equation 3. Now our aim to compute the values of k1, k2, k3, k4. So where k1 is equal to h times of f x0 comma y0. So h times of f x0 is 0, y0 is 1, and we know that f of xy is equal to x square minus y. So this will be 0.1, 0 square minus 1. So this is 0, negative of 0.1. Now k2 is equal to h f x0 plus h upon 2, y0 plus k1 upon 2. So h f x0 is 0 plus 0.1 upon 2, y0 is 1 plus k1 is minus 0.1 upon 2, and this is equal to h f, this is 0.05 comma 0.05 comma 1 minus 0.1 upon 2. So this will be 0.95, and using the f of xy is equal to x square minus y. So h is 0.1, 0.05 square minus 0.95, and simplify this with the help of the calculator. Then we obtain negative 0.095 correct to 3 decimal places. Now k3 is equal to h f x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k2 by 2, and h f x naught is 0 plus 0.1 upon 2, y naught is 1 plus k2 is minus of 0.095 upon 2. So h is h f of this is 0.05 and 0.05 comma 0.953, and using f of x y is equal to x square minus y square, h is 0.1, so 0.05 square minus 0.953, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then this value is equal to negative 0.0.095. Now K4 is equal to h f x naught plus h y naught plus k3, h f x naught is 0 plus h is 0.1 comma y naught is 1 plus k3 is minus of 0.095, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, or this will be h is h f of this is 0.1 comma this value is equal to negative 0.905, and f of xy is equal to x square minus y square, which is given in the problem. So h is 0.1 square minus 0.905, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then this will be 0.090, and put the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4 as well as the value of the y0 in equation 3. So we obtain y1 means y of 0.1 is equal to y0 is 1 plus 1 upon 6, k1 is minus 0.1 plus 2 times of k2 is minus 0.905 plus 2 times of k3 is minus of 0.095 plus k4 is minus 0.090, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then we obtain 0.905 correct to 3 decimal places. So this value is an approximate value of the given initial value problem with the help of the Runge-Kutta method. Now if we solve the given initial value problem with the help of the analytical method, and to identify the error, that is the obtained solution is contain how many that is how much error in the approximate solution. So here when we solve the given initial value problem with the help of the analytical method, so by using analytical method, so given initial value problem can be written as dy by dx plus y is equal to x square with the condition y of 0 is equal to 1. So here compute the integrating factor and find the solution is of the form y of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus e raised to the power minus x. So here y of 0.1, that is put x is equal to 0.1 both side of this equation. So 0.1 square minus 2 into 0.1 plus 1 plus e raised to the power minus 0.1, and simplify this with the help of the calculator, then we obtain value is correct to 3 decimal places is 0.905. So in that case when we compute the error, so error is the difference of the exact solution and an approximate solution. So exact solution is 0.905 and approximate solution is 905. So error is 0, that is approximate solution is equal to the exact solution for the given initial value problem with the help of the RK method. Now here I am considering the another problem, and problem is, that is, try yourself. Problem is using RK method to find an approximate solution of y 0.2, given that the initial value problem dy by dx is equal to x plus y with the condition y0 is equal to 1 correct to 3 decimal places. So here I am giving the hint to find the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So hint is, first of all, compare the given initial value problem with the standard form of the initial value problem. So when we compare the initial value problem 1 with dy by dx is equal to f of xy, y of x0 is equal to y0, so we obtain f of xy is equal to x plus y, x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 1, and the value of the h, that is how to identify the value of the h. And here h is not given, so when we compute the value of the h, so h is equal to xn minus x0 upon n. So here xn is the value where we value of the x, where we want to compute the value of the y. So value of x is 0.2, so this will be 0.2 minus x0 is 0 upon n. Now if I am taking the value of n is equal to 1, then h is equal to 0.2. So in that case we obtain the value of the y at x is equal to 0.2 in the step 1 only. Now if we taking here h is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, then we obtain h is equal to 0.1. In that case we apply to steps for the Runge-Kutta method to obtain the value of the y at x is equal to 0.2. So in the second case, when we taking the h is equal to 0.1, then we generate a table is of the form x initially x0 is 0, then x1 is x0 plus h, x0 is 0 and h is 0.1, then this value is 0.1, then x2 is x0 plus 2h, so 0 plus 2 times of 0.1, so this is 0.2. Now value of the y, initially y0 is 1, y1 means y of x1 and x1 is 0.1, y2 is y of x2 and this is 0.2, y of 0.2. That is, in step 1 compute the value of the y1 by using the initial conditions, then in step 2 compute the value of the y2 by using this condition. So in step 1 find y1 means y of 0.1, and this will be y0 plus 1 upon 6 k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4, and say this is equation 2. Then find the value, find the values of k1, k2, k3, k4, and in step 1 k1 is h times of f x0 y0, k2 is h f x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2, k3 is equal to h f x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2, and k4 is equal to h f x0 plus h y0 plus k3, and substitute the values of k1, k2, k3, k4 in equation 2, then compute the value of the y1 means y of 0.1. After that, in step 2, using the value of x1 as well as the y1, then find y2 means y of 0.2, and this will be y1 plus 1 upon 6 k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Say this is equation 3, where k1 is equal to, because here this will be y1 means this is y1 means y of x1, that is in the step 1 k1 k2 k3, that is in k1 k2 k3 and k4, x0 replaced by x1, y0 replaced by y1, and then we compute the value of k1 k2 k3 k4 in step 2, that is k1 is equal to hf of x1 comma y1, k2 is equal to hf x1 plus h by 2, y1 plus k1 by 2, k3 is equal to hf x1 plus h by 2, y1 plus k2 by 2, and k4 is equal to hf x1 plus h, y1 plus k3, and substitute the values of k1 k2 k3 k4 as well as y1 in equation 3. Then we obtain the value of the y at x is equal to 0.2. Then we obtain an approximate solution for the given initial value problem. So this is the procedure how to apply the RK method to compute an approximate solution for the given initial value problem. So here the value of the y at x is equal to 0.2 is equal to 1.243, correct to 3 decimal places. And when we solve the given initial value problem with the help of the analytical method, so we obtain the exact solution similar to the approximate solution. So when we solve the given initial value problem with the help of the Runge-Kutta method, so we obtain error is equal to 0, means the exact solution and an approximate solution are same. So this is the procedure of the Runge-Kutta method. So thank you very much.